Case No. 2023, 5354 Judge, Honorable Judge Robert Thompson. Plaintiff Sarah Johnson. Defendant Michael Adams. Opening statement. Judge Robert Thompson, JRT. Mr. Plaintiff Sarah Johnson, Mr. Defendant Michael Adams, we are here today. This court has convened to ensure justice is served. Please provide your testimony truthfully. Mr. Plaintiff, the floor is yours. Plaintiff's allegations. Sarah Johnson, S.J. Your Honor, I am here today to claim that the defendant wrongfully took possession of a property that belongs to me. I am trying to prove that the property is mine with the documents of purchase. However, the defendant claims ownership of the property and denies it is mine. My allegation is that the defendant wrongfully seized my property and caused me financial harm. JRT. Understood, Mr. Plaintiff. Now we turn to the defendant for their defense. Mr. Defendant, you are required to present your case. Defendant's defense. Michael Adams, M.A. Your Honor, I deny these allegations. I maintain that I am the rightful owner of the property, and I assert that the plaintiff's claims are baseless. I have documents that prove my ownership of the property. JRT. Understood. Now, I allow the attorneys to ask questions to the respective parties. Statements and evidence. Plaintiff's attorney, P.A. Mr. Plaintiff, what other evidence do you have to support your claim that the defendant wrongfully took possession of the property? S.J. I have the property deed and other documents that demonstrate my ownership of the property. Defendant's attorney, D.A. Mr. Plaintiff, do you have any doubts about the authenticity of these ownership documents? S.J. No, I have complete confidence in the authenticity of these ownership documents. They clearly show that the property belongs to me. JRT. Understood. Now I allow the defense attorney to ask questions. Defense attorney's questions. D.A. Mr. Defendant, do you have any doubts about the property belonging to the plaintiff? M.A. No, I have no doubts about the property belonging to the plaintiff. However, I also assert my claim of ownership, and I am trying to prove that the property belongs to me. Trial and decision phase. JRT. After considering the parties' allegations, testimonies, and evidence, I have taken the necessary time to reach a decision in this case. JRT. After considering the parties' allegations, testimonies, and evidence, I have taken the necessary time to reach a decision in this case. This case involves a dispute over property ownership. The plaintiff, Sarah Johnson, claims that the defendant, Michael Adams, wrongfully took possession of her property. The plaintiff is attempting to prove her ownership through the property deed and other documents. The defendant, Michael Adams, denies the allegations and asserts his own claim of ownership. At this stage, further evidence and information are needed to resolve the dispute between the parties. The parties may request an additional hearing to present relevant evidence and progress the case. The case file remains open, and a future hearing date will be scheduled. The parties will be informed accordingly.